Hi, I'm going to walk through Project Zero for CompSci 201, Fall 2018, just the logistics of using Git, making the project work in Eclipse, and then submitting via Gradescope. I'm going to do this relatively quickly, and then hopefully you'll be able to watch this more slowly and get the gist of the details. We'll also have a written document that talks about this. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you that I've already logged into GitHub. And here's the project that I've got by joining the GitHub Classroom. My source folder shows you my files. Here's my main project. And if I go over here to clone or download, we'll see that clone with SSH, and here's this URL. So I'm going to copy that. Now it's on my clipboard. And I'm going to use the command line to navigate and make a project. So here I am on the command line. pwd is print working directory. There's my demo workspace. This is my Eclipse folder. ls shows me the files and folders that are in there. Right now I just have apt. What I want to do is work on Project Zero. So I'm going to type git clone and then paste that SSH URL. I've already configured Git to work with my SSH keys. And now when I type ls, I can see that I have a new folder, one that wasn't here before. This is the source code for my project. I'm now going to use Eclipse and open that project. So here I am in Eclipse. I'm going to say File, Import. And this is an existing project into the workspace. I click Next. I'm going to find where that folder is, and here it is, Personality WordsWarmer. WordsWarmer is my fake email. I'm now going to finish this project. Here it is. There's the source file. And here's personality driver and personality. I'm going to open both of these. And when I run personality driver, I'll see that I get what's supposed to be there. Ola, Ola, playful, playful. Now that's because I haven't made any changes to my personality class. I've got these to do. Complete the constructor, and another to do, which is complete this method. I know from having read, and as we'll learn in class, I'm supposed to be using this instance variable, my name. I'm going to use that here and replace this to do with, instead of always returning Ola, I'm going to return the value of the instance variable, my name. Now that instance variable doesn't have any value because it hasn't been initialized in the constructor, and all constructors are supposed to do is initialize instance variables. So now my name is name. When I run the driver again, here's personality driver, I'm running it. Now I'm getting something different. They with no name, Sam, playful, playful. The playful part is wrong because I haven't yet modified get description to use the length of the instance variable, but I want to know, have I passed some tests here? So I'm coming in here, I'm coming into my folder by doing cd, which is change directory, and now you can see I'm in the project folder for my Project Zero. I'm going to type git add dot. The dot is really the current directory, so I'm going to add all the changes there. Then I need to make a commit message, which is git commit -m. First, what I did is used instance variable, so I'm going to make a useful message. Used instance variable. I can say git status git push. Now, a lot of things happen there. If I go back to my GitHub repo and reload, so the first thing I want to do is before I hit reload, you can see that this was created 5 to 9 days ago. Now when I use reload, I'll see that the source file was modified 31 seconds ago. This comment from the commit is there, and if I go into the source folder and see personality.java, my code has changed. I've got this here because I pushed it to my Git repository. I want to see What is this worth in terms of Gradescope? So now I'm going to go to Gradescope. I'm already logged in to Gradescope. I'm going to pick this project. I'm going to resubmit. I've already submitted once before. It knows that I'm on GitHub. It knows where I am. I always use the master branch, and I'm going to say upload. Submitted successfully. My autograder results will be available soon. I can submit my results until the due date. I can submit them past then too. The autograder hasn't finished running. It's going to continue to run. It takes a while. I've got 4 out of 6. What I've done is failed some tests that involve get description, which makes sense because I haven't written get description, but I've passed a lot of other tests, get name, an API checker, get description with length equals 4. So I've passed some tests and failed some other tests. I can look here and get some better information about it, but I'm going to do that at a later date. Right now I want to make sure that the process is clear. I was on GitHub. I cloned the repository. I worked on the command line. I worked in Eclipse. I made some changes, and then I pushed those changes to Git using several commands. Now that required that I already had Git configured to work correctly. Hope that you'll have fun writing, committing, and grading. Enjoy!